Can you imagine you're at home asleep and you wake up to find out that two suspects stole a vehicle and ended up crashing into one of your trucks right outside of your home? That's what happened to this homeowner, Juana. We spoke with her earlier this morning. She was so kind and she shared video with us of the moment this happened. Two suspects caught on camera ditching their car in Juana Cervantes' front yard. This after crashing into her son's truck.
So we came out, and sure enough, there was a vehicle pretty much under his truck, and the truck was pretty much lifted into the air and kind of landed into the other vehicle. And there were two guys. One of them went into our backyard through our back door. We heard the dogs just barking out of control because they knew somebody was in the backyard.
Police telling KOCO5 they tried to pull over the suspects after realizing they were in a stolen car. The two people inside took off. The chase ended when they crashed into a truck in the Cervantes family's driveway. K9 units and drone were used in an effort to locate those suspects.
When we came out, the police officer approached us. He said, "Don't go to your backyard. Don't go outside. You need to stay inside."
The family's fear turning into gratitude that nothing else happened.
I told him, you know what, you should be happy that it happened to the vehicles and not to the house, because he sleeps in the room right next to the, right here where the car hit. So I said, you should be grateful for that. And you know, it's just a vehicle. You'll get another one sooner or later.
Juana really has a positive outlook on this, just grateful that everyone in her family is okay. In Oklahoma City, Jordan Ryan, KOCO5 News.